India Quebec Kilo confirms still on top of cloud.
On top of cloud, thinning out now. I can see brakes through the cloud. India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo.
Perth approach, India Quebec Kilo. You can see it's clear just to the south of me. I'm at 5,000 still, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, copy. Expect vectors towards Canning Bridge.
Thank you, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, descend to 4,500.
4,500, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, descend to 4,000.
4,000, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, contact departure is 118.7, good day.
118.7, India Quebec Kilo. Good day. Perth departures, India Quebec Kilo, cleared for 4,000, now 4,300.
India Quebec Kilo, Perth departures, descend to 3,500. 3,500,
India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, descend to 2,000 feet.
2,000, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, turn left heading 240.
Left 240, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, are you visual?
Visual, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, Roger. Resume engagement, position 5 miles north of Perth City. Back by Perth City, Canning Bridge to Jandakot. Descend to 1,500 visual.
Own navigation and descend to 2,500 and maintain 1,500 and maintain visual, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo and track by Perth City, Canning Bridge to Jandakot.
Track Perth City to Canning Bridge and Jandakot, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, you turning for Perth City?
Affirmative, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, do you have Canning Bridge in sight?
I do, with the city skyscrapers in between. India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, Roger. Track now direct to Canning Bridge.
Direct Canning Bridge, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo at Canning Bridge, contact Jandakot Tower 118.1. Good morning.
At Canning Bridge, contact Jandakot Tower 118.1, India Quebec Kilo.
Runway 24 right for arrivals and all other departures, frequency 118.1. Wind 200 degrees, 15 knots, maximum crosswind 14 knots. Visibility greater than 10 kilometres, clouds scattered at 2,500. Temperature 22, QNH 1009. On first contact with Jandakot ground or tower, notify receipt of Bravo.
Jandakot Tower, Cessna 172, India Quebec Kilo, Canning Bridge 1,500 inbound.
India Quebec Kilo Tower, Roger, from 3 miles, track for base, runway 2 for right, maintain 1,500 visual.
3 nautical miles, track for 2 for right and maintain visual, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, thanks, maintain 1,500 visual and just confirming receipt of information, Bravo.
1,500 visual and yes, have got Bravo, India Quebec Kilo.
India Quebec Kilo, thank you. cleared visual approach.
Cleared visual approach into Quebec Kilo.
Romeo Zulu Kilo, follow a Cessna 172, currently 3 miles to the north, joining base. Runway 2 for right.
Looking traffic, Romeo Zulu Kilo.
Romeo Zulu Kilo.
Traffic advisory. Monitor closure rate.
India Quebec Kilo, clear to land.
Clear to land, India Quebec Kilo.
Romeo Zulu Kilo, eastern part, clear to land.
Eastern pad, clear to land, Romeo Zulu Kilo.
Jandakot Tower, Cessna 152, India Golf X-ray at 40 yards, 1500, received information, Bravo inbound.
Jandakot Tower, Cessna 172 in Quebec at Foxtrot. Request taxi for Southern Apron when this Cessna is passed.
India Quebec Kilo, Jandakot ground, good morning to you. When ready, taxi Southern Apron.
When ready, taxi Southern Apron, India Quebec Kilo.
Jandakot terminal information, Charlie. Runway 24 left for circuits and departures via Armidale, frequency 119.4. Runway 24 right for arrivals and all other departures, frequency 118.1. The wind 210 degrees, 15 knots, maximum crosswind 10 knots. Visibility greater than 10 kilometres. Cloud view 2,500. Temperature 25. QNH 1009er.